Learning MYOB is a valuable skill for anyone involved in accounting, bookkeeping, or small business management. To get started, first understand what MYOB is, which stands for Mind Your Own Business, a popular accounting software used for managing financial transactions, invoicing, and payroll. Begin by setting up your MYOB account, which can be done by purchasing the software or subscribing to their online service. Once set up, familiarize yourself with the user interface, which includes the command center, menu bar, and shortcuts. The command center is the main hub where you can access all the features and functions of MYOB. Next, learn how to set up your company file, which involves entering your company details, financial year, and tax information. It is essential to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your company's accounts, such as assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. Practice entering transactions, such as invoices, bills, and payments, to understand how to record financial data in MYOB. Learn how to reconcile your bank statements, which involves matching your bank transactions with the transactions recorded in MYOB. Reconciliation helps ensure the accuracy of your financial records and detects any discrepancies. Understand how to generate financial reports, such as balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. These reports provide valuable insights into your company's financial performance and help you make informed business decisions. To master MYOB, practice regularly, and take advantage of the software's built-in help resources, such as tutorials, guides, and online support. Join online forums or discussion groups to connect with other MYOB users and learn from their experiences. Consider enrolling in a MYOB training course or workshop to receive personalized instruction and feedback. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can become proficient in using MYOB and improve your accounting and bookkeeping skills. Remember to stay up to date with the latest features and updates of the software to maximize its potential and streamline your financial management tasks.